Oh my God. All right, so I just got to Alabama Hills and it is 43 degrees. This is my first solo trip. I have found camp for the night. It's very quiet. I wanted to record the whole process of everything, but unfortunately I'm running out of light, so you'll get an idea of how this pops up. Well, it's cold. There we go. Okay, so tents popped up. This is my DIY camper I built out of a aluminum rooftop tent, and I just cut a hole in the bottom of it and made the camper to fit the Tacoma. And here we go. Well, it's about 37 degrees. It doesn't feel bad. I'm still in my vest, but mainly because I've been running around trying to set camp up. So I'm gonna go ahead and maybe turn the heater on, get the camper warmed up, and enjoy what light we have left. It's beautiful. You can see the moon up there. First solo trip. It feels really good, actually. All right. I am sitting downstairs with the top open. I got some stuff from REI for dinner, which is in here. Just some of those dried food goods. Okay, so this is what we're doing for dinner. Chicken pesto pasta. Just got this jet boil. That's gonna be a new addition because it's just too small in here to set up a stove. I put a towel there just to keep the draft out because both ends are open to the outside. I haven't built the shelf here yet. And then the heater is gonna be completely enclosed soon. Already got the coffee station made. We got Folgers, never actually tried it, so I thought that'd be fun. I have the French press, or I did not have the French press for this. So that's my old French press. I'm gonna just keep using that for now. Got the lantern. And then I'm putting all my food in here. I've got dessert and breakfast. And I don't usually do these, but in the wintertime, I think I'm gonna start doing just the freeze-dried adventure meals. I could slide this panel back up towards the front, but I haven't done that. I don't really need that much space right now, so I just have everything kind of stacked up, not organized, and then the panels are just kind of thrown in here. It's my closet right now, and I'm just hanging a light up here. I'm going to put string lights all the way around. I can't touch the ceiling when I stand up in here, so it's pretty tall. Okay, so this is why I bought this, because while you're not using that, if you want to use a pan, you can just put this on here somehow, some way. Oh, I see. Probably goes in right there. Yeah. So you put that in there, and now you have a nice little stovetop. All right, so I don't know how cold it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to go outside and see the stars. So let's go. All right, my toes are freezing. It's time. Time to turn on the diesel heater, so here we go. Warm it up in here because it is cold. We're gonna just water boiling pretty fast here, I think. And then we're gonna make chicken pesto pasta. Heater's on. It's not warm yet. Might be kind of loud now in here, but at least it'll be warm. Okay, I think I made a cozy little area. I'm gonna sit back here. I made that backrest. I actually used this panel for the backrest, and I can sprawl out. And so now I can just hang out here, and I just have dinner. I have dinner just hanging out down there. And what's nice is my toes got cold because I was doing the night photography, and I have I put this vent in right up here in the rooftop tent, so now I could just put my feet there, warm up my toes. It's pretty cozy in here. Doesn't look bad. And really, it's not. Oh, it's about 9 in the morning. I didn't sleep well. I don't know if you can see that. But I think it's time to make coffee and breakfast. All right, so I'm just hanging out with a little blanket on. It's actually not cold at all with the heater on. And that view, can't complain. Pretty excited about biscuits and gravy because I am pretty hungry. The coffee turned out really good. It's about 20 degrees outside. 78 in here. I'm barefoot and just hanging out. I think that's Mount Whitney right there. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Pretty cool place to wake up. The before, after. So I've camped here a couple times actually, and now it's day use only. It's this cool little valley tucked behind all these rocks, and you used to be able to camp here, and I guess they just recently changed that. Fun driving down dirt roads and like hitting these mud puddles and whatnot. Woo! Thanks for watching, guys. I thought it would be fun to upload my first solo trip. I never uploaded it for some reason, but it was a fun trip, and it kind of started this winter camping shenanigans. So check out my other videos, and have a good day.